Practical viva voce questions with short explanatory answers, suitable for UG and PG level. To study the terms of genetics. What is genetics? Genetics is the branch of biology that deals with the study of heredity, variation, and the transmission of traits from parents to offspring. Who is known as the father of genetics and why? Gregor Mendel is called the father of genetics due to his systematic experiments on pea plants that established the basic laws of inheritance. What is a gene? A gene is the functional unit of heredity, consisting of a specific DNA sequence that controls a particular character. What are alleles? Alleles are alternative forms of the same gene present at the same locus on homologous chromosomes. Define genotype. Genotype refers to the genetic constitution or allelic combination of an organism for a particular trait. Define phenotype. Phenotype is the observable expression of a trait resulting from the interaction between genotype and environment. What is homozygous condition? An organism is homozygous when both alleles of a gene are identical, either dominant or recessive. What is heterozygous condition? An organism is heterozygous when it carries two different alleles of a gene. What is a dominant allele? A dominant allele expresses itself even in the presence of a recessive allele. What is a recessive allele? A recessive allele expresses only when present in homozygous condition. What is a hybrid? A hybrid is an organism with a heterozygous genotype resulting from a cross between genetically different parents. What is a pure line or true breeding line? A pure line is a group of organisms that produce offspring with the same traits over several generations. What is monohybrid cross? A monohybrid cross is a genetic cross involving a single pair of contrasting characters. What is dihybrid cross? A dihybrid cross involves the inheritance of two different traits simultaneously. What is Punnett square? Punnett square is a graphical method used to predict the genotypes and phenotypes of offspring. What is the law of segregation? The law states that alleles of a gene separate during gamete formation so that each gamete carries only one allele. What is the law of independent assortment? This law states that alleles of different genes assort independently during gamete formation. What is a test cross? A test cross is a cross between an individual showing a dominant trait and a homozygous recessive individual to determine genotype. What is linkage? Linkage refers to the tendency of genes located close together on the same chromosome to be inherited together. Why is the study of genetic terms important in practical work? Understanding genetic terms is essential for analyzing crosses, interpreting results, and studying inheritance patterns accurately. What is a locus? A locus is the specific fixed position of a gene on a chromosome. What is a chromosome? A chromosome is a thread-like structure composed of DNA and proteins that carries genes. What is a genome? A genome is the complete set of genetic material present in an organism. What is mutation? A mutation is a sudden heritable change in the DNA sequence that may alter a gene or trait. What is variation? Variation refers to differences in traits among individuals of the same species due to genetic and environmental factors.